Are you in the market for a new laptop that combines power, performance, and portability? Look no further. Introducing HP's latest 15.6-inch HD Touch Display Laptop. Designed to meet all your computing needs. Whether you're at work, in school, or just browsing at home. This isn't just any laptop. Powered by a cutting-edge Intel Core i3-1215U 6-core processor. This device is built to handle everything from multitasking to light gaming. And with a massive 32 gigabytes of RAM, you can say goodbye to lag and hello to seamless productivity. Whether you're a creative professional, a student, or someone who just loves to have a ton of tabs open, this laptop's performance is unmatched. And storage? You're covered with a whopping 1 terabyte PCIe SSD, ensuring you have more than enough space for all your files, photos, videos, and apps. Stay connected with friends, family, and colleagues effortlessly with built-in Bluetooth and Wi-Fi capabilities. Plus, with Windows 11 Pro pre-installed, you're getting the latest in security, convenience, and productivity features from Microsoft. All this power in a device that's as thin and portable as it is powerful. Whether you're moving from room to room or heading out for the day, this HP laptop is designed to go wherever life takes you. Let's take a closer look at what makes this HP laptop the perfect choice for you. Starting with the stunning 15.6-inch HD touch display. The high-definition touchscreen brings your content to life with vibrant colors and sharp details, making it perfect for everything from binge-watching your favorite shows to creating presentations that pop. And with touch functionality, you can interact with your laptop in a whole new way. Swipe, tap, and scroll with ease, making navigation intuitive and fun. Under the hood, the Intel Core i3-1215U 6-core processor is the heart of this powerhouse. With 6 cores, you're getting unparalleled speed and efficiency. Whether you're working on a project, streaming content, or even playing light games. Paired with 32 gigabytes of RAM, you can multitask like a pro, with no slowdown in sight. Running out of storage is a thing of the past with the 1 terabyte PCIe SSD. Not only does it provide ample space for all your files, but it also ensures faster boot-up times and quicker access to your data. Whether you're loading applications or transferring large files, this SSD delivers lightning-fast performance. Connectivity is key, and this laptop has it all. With Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, you can easily connect to your favorite devices and networks without missing a beat. Whether you're syncing your smartphone, connecting to a wireless printer, or streaming audio to your Bluetooth speakers, this laptop handles it all effortlessly. And don't let its power fool you, this laptop is as portable as they come. Thin, lightweight, and easy to carry. It's the perfect companion for anyone on the go. So, if you're looking for a laptop that's powerful, versatile, and portable, the HP 15.6-inch HD Touch Display Laptop is the one for you. With its powerful Intel Core i3 processor, massive 32 gigabytes of RAM, and 1 terabyte SSD, it's ready to tackle anything you throw at it. Plus, with Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and Windows 11 Pro, you're getting the best in connectivity and productivity. Get yours today and experience the difference that HP quality and performance can make in your daily life. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest tech.